Now let's get started with our first Python program. First we will see print statement in Python. Print statement in Python prints the output on the computer screen. For example, the sequence of characters, first Python program, or some integer value 10 or some fractional value 2.50. Now let's understand it through a program how we can print all these using print statement. You have to write print and inside the parenthesis in double quote or single quote write your sequence of characters. Here first Python program. When you will run this, you will get the output like this. First Python program. When you will print integer value, write print inside the parenthesis that value 10. When you will run this, you will get this output 10. You can also print fractional value, write print and inside the parenthesis write that value 2.50. When you will run this, you will get this output 2.50. Now let's understand all these on Google Colab. This is the Google Colab editor. Take a new code cell. Click here. This is your new code cell. Start writing program from here. So first write print inside the parenthesis your message in double quote. Suppose I am writing here first Python program. Now let's run this. To run, just click here and your program will be running. You got this output, first Python program. Now let's take another code cell. Click here and start writing your code here. So to print some constant value or integer value, write print and inside the parenthesis write that value. For example 10. And bring this cursor here. Press enter. Write another line of code. And here I am going to print some fractional value. Write that value inside the parenthesis 2.5. So when you will run this, just click here and you will get the output 10 and 2.5. Now let's see variables in Python. A variable in Python is a memory location to keep some values. It can be integer, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Or it can be float, for example 1.5, 2.4, 5.8 and so on. It also can be character, for example A, B, C, D, etc. It can be sequence of character also, that is called string. For example, hello, Python, machine learning and so on. Variables in Python are created when we assign some values to it. For example, I have a value 7 and I am going to assign this in a variable x. So a memory will be created for this variable x, which will hold this value 7. Now let's understand this through a program. Suppose I have created a variable x and assigned value 7. So when you will print this variable, you will get the output, the value of this variable. You can also create variable for fractional value. Suppose here I have created a variable x and assigned 3.50. When you will print this variable, you will get the output, the value of this variable. You can also create a variable for sequence of characters, that is string. Here I have created a variable x and assigned Python program. When you will print this variable, you will get the output, the value of this variable, Python program. A variable name can be descriptive also, other than x or y. For example, student, roll underscore number, course underscore myvar, etc. We can also use plus operator to add two or more variables. Suppose I have created a variable x and assigned value 5 and another variable y and assigned value 7. So when we will perform plus operator on these two variables and print it something like this, print x plus y, then you will get the output, the addition of these two numbers or variables. We can also perform plus operations on sequence of characters. For example, I have created a variable x and assigned the sequence of characters machine learning, and another variable y and assign sequence of characters with Python. So when we'll perform plus operation on these two variables and print it something like this, print x plus y, you will get the output as machine learning with Python. Means addition of machine learning and with Python. Now let's try all these on Google Colab. This is the Google Colab editor. Now I'm going to another code cell. Just click here and this is your new code cell. I'm taking a variable x and assign value 7. Press enter and print this variable. Write print inside the parenthesis the name of the variable x. So when you will run this, you will get the value of that variable, that is 7. Now I am going to take another variable y in which I will assign some fractional value, suppose 3.5. Press enter and print this variable y. So when you run this, you will get the output, that is 3.5, which is value of variable y. Now take another code cell, click here. In this code cell, we'll perform plus operation on these two variables. Suppose variable x is equal to 7 and In y, I'm going to assign 5. So now perform addition operation. Write print inside the parenthesis x plus y. Now let's run this. Click here. You got the output, that is 12. Addition of these two numbers, 7 plus 5. Now I'm going to take another code cell. Click here, in which we'll create variables for sequence of characters. Take a variable x and assign. Write your message or sequence of characters in double quote, machine learning. Enter. Write y, that is another variable, and assign the another sequence of characters in double quote with Python. Now perform plus operation and print it. Write print inside the parenthesis, write x plus y. So when you will run this code cell, you will get your output as machine learning with Python. You can observe here there is no space between machine learning and Python. So just to make a space, bring this cursor here and create a space here. Now run this program. Now this is machine learning with Python, but there is a space between machine learning and with Python. That's it for today. See you in next lecture. Till then, enjoy Python program.